Hello and welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to log into marvelsnap game using your Android device. So if you want to learn how, then keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, make sure that you've downloaded the marvelsnap application on your Android device, and once you are done with it, tap on it to launch open the app. Now, soon after you do that, you'll be able to see these two options displayed in the main interface. You have an option to play as a guest without signing into your account, or if you want to sign in and pick up where you left off, simply tap on the sign in with Google button at the bottom. Remember that you must have a Google account in order to start up and log in with your marvelsnap. So on the next page, you'll need to choose your Google account, or if you want to add a new account, tap on add another account and enter your credentials for your Google account, that is your email address and the password. You can also choose an existing account that is already linked to Snap by tapping on the Google account you'd like to use, and with just a click of a button, you'll be able to log into your marvelsnap account quick and easy. That is how you can easily log into your marvelsnap account using your Android phone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. Go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Keep watching till then.